My video guide for today is about getting rid of the unwanted browser extension called Video Ad Skipper. Video Ad Skipper extension is promoted as the best extension for blocking multiple advertisements while you watch some video content. We have discovered this application on a deceptive page asking us to add some extension to complete the process. After adding and inspecting the extension called Video Ad Skipper, we found out that it generates numerous advertisements. So, in other words, it operates as an advertising supported application. So instead of actually blocking ads, it starts displaying its own ads, and very often these ads are located on top of other content. This prevents you from properly perceiving this important content, and this definitely distracts you a lot from being concentrated on things that are really important to you. So, if you have discovered this extension called Video Ad Skipper in your Google Chrome browser, the only correct solution is to remove this extension. Now I will explain to you how to remove any third-party extensions from the Google Chrome. Access the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. Then you need to disable and delete any third-party extensions in case you find them here. I would also recommend that you additionally research the system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official resource combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start carefully researching your system. Combo Cleaner, by the way, is available both for Windows and for Mac devices. The software is initially in the trial mode. Only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. Well, most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and definitely this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. Combo Cleaner works exceptionally well in terms of detecting the majority of threats, including adware, ransomware, browser hijackers, and other threats that may be at the part of your computer. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed to see the full summary of the threats. In that summary of the threats that were revealed, you will be able to know the exact locations of these threats. You will be able to know the names of these threats, and we do recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license. This is the best way to keep your system always safe and secure and protected against other malware or adware attacks.